going on, my beautiful people, man? It's another day. I'm here in Malmet, Illinois, at one of the Hirschbach terminal. Man, today's a nice day, guys. So what I'm gonna do for you guys today is they have some new 2021 Freightliners. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. Man, listen, man, I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling blessed. I hope you guys doing good too. All right. Well, guys, listen, man. Let me do this real quick. You know, it's kind of like 45 degrees outside, chilly. So let me give you guys a tour. We're back. Bang! Alright, guys. So these are the new trucks. They come in different colors. As you can see, you have this red one. That's like a silver. You have this chocolate brown. And this is the next silver too, guys. Alright. So you can see that this one assigned to a driver already. So that's the one we're gonna focus on right now. So this one just drop off. As you can see, it's a chocolate brown. It's a pretty color. Looking good. Now the good things I like with this truck right away, guys, is they come with the fucking double fucking wheels. Standard, alright. I'm glad they get rid of those super singles. I don't like super singles. Some people do, but I don't. So on the 2021 too, guys, it come with a tri-pack, brand new fifth wheel, brand new set of tires, brand new. So it come with a brand new tri-pack from Carrier. So I guess this is not Thermo King, this is a Carrier Comfort Pro. Alright, this is the next side, guys. All aluminum wheels. Look good, guys. They changed the location of the gas tank too. Before our gas tank, like on my truck, my truck is a 2020. My one is right here. So my gas tank would be right here. Now they changed the location to, you know, to the regular standard size. This is how it looks, guys. Brand new 2021 Freightliner Cascadia. Bang! Alright, let me pull the hood. Let me see what they got under here. Let me give you guys a front tour. Alright. Oh, it's the first I see this too, guys. It comes with fog lights, guys. They upgrade on the fog lights. That's a good thing. Alright, let's pop the hood now, guys. Let's see what they have underneath this bad boy. Alright, let's start from the driver's side, guys. Well, pretty much it's the same engine, guys. Ain't nothing different. Yeah, pretty much it's the same exact engine. That DD15 Detroit. So guys, the next thing I see is they removed the airbags. On my truck, they have a airbag right there. My truck is a front air ride suspension. Now this is a straight spring suspension. And we've got another side now. On the other side, pretty much the same. You have the dryer. You have the part where you put your washer fluid. Brand new turbo. Brand new EGR system. Everything is brand new, guys. Everything is brand new. So that's how it looks, guys. Pretty much the same exact engine. So yeah, let's close the hood and go inside. I want to see if there is any different. They changed this, the grill. They changed this to plastic. My one is like a, that chrome finish. So let's go inside, guys, and see what's inside. All right. Open the door. You get the regular Freightliner look. Ain't nothing special, ain't nothing different. You guys can see this. This truck making so September 2020. So we fall into 2000. It's a 2021. That's pretty much information. The tire sizes and the air pressure and stuff. Everything right here. You have a kill switch to turn off your power. So like when you're on your home time, you kill the switch. All right. You have a regular seat, up and down, back and forth right here. Now the good thing with this seat, guys, this seat come with a heater. My one do not come with a heater. So you have a temperature control right here. So if you want your house to feel cool, you have it right here. If you want your house to feel hot, hey, you got it. All right. I don't have a key, so I can't start it. Let's pull the pockets. Pocket is the pocket is pretty standard. You have your triangles, guys, just in case you break down. I'll put these on the road. You have a fire extinguisher. You have a first aid kit. First aid kit right here. So that's pretty standard. You have your side window. They do not come with a top window. So. And you have all your paperwork right here. Everything about the tri-pack and the trucks and everything about that. All right. So far, guys, everything is the same. That's a dashboard. That's a steering wheel. The dashboard is the exact same. The radio is the same. Yeah, everything right here is the same, guys. You have, it's an automatic, so you have your shifter right here. You have your side curtain. These are the seats. You have your storage. So you have one storage here. You got a next storage right here. This is where I put my microwave. This is where they're gonna install the fridge. That's where the fridge is gonna install, and that is where the TV gonna mount. They're gonna install with the TV too. Brand new bed. You have a top bunk too, guys. So you have your family, your kids, your wife, your girlfriend, your friend, you have two beds, a top bunk and a bottom bunk, and you have a ladder. So it's pretty the same thing. You have the ladder in my truck too. Make it a little easier to go up. You have like a 110 current right here, so you can plug in like regular, like a house. Your house charge a phone, or your laptop, anything. You have a heater bunk right here. That's for your heater. So let me show you. Let me see if I can lift this up. Alright, so guys, this is the heater. Hope you guys can see it. I guess this is a new heater system, because my one is only a little thing right here. But they changed it up, so I guess it's a new thing now. So how it work, I do not know. So this is pretty much storage again, guys, under your bunk. Well, this should take up like almost all the fucking mega part of your storage. So yeah. On this side, which is the driver's side, you still have you have a storage right here. You have your curtains. So when the driver come, you can let these down. You have a storage right here again too, guys. And you have a next little storage right there. This is like a little table. You can put like, you can do your logs, you can do your paperwork, you can even heat your food. This is where I heat my food, right here. And it comes with a little pocket right here you can put stuff into. Next storage right here too. And that's the driver's seat right there. You have a little storage right here too, guys. That's the only good thing with the Freightliners, guys. The Freightliners, they come with a lot of storage. Storage, look a part right here. This is a part for your CB, your CB radios. For those guys who into CB, you have a storage right here again too, guys. And you have one more over here on the driver's side. That's pretty much. You have your curtain. You have your, you can open these windows right here, up and down. But it's winter now, so but that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I can't start it. I can't tell you nothing else. Like I only can maybe go through these So on your steering wheel, hope you guys can see, on your left side of your steering wheel you have the control. This is to spray the water on the glass. That's the speed of your wiper back and forth for your windshield. This is like the menu button. This is for your radio, up and down volume. This is to go through the menu right here. But I can't show you guys that because I can't say there's no key. On this side, you can hook your phone up where you can receive calls and stuff through the truck. Alright. This is like a cancel, so if you have it like on cruise control, you can press this to cancel it. Alright. This is what set your cruise. Alright. This light is what if you're passing a guy and a guy give you his light to show you, hey, you're clear to come back over, you tell him thank you by flashing your lights. Alright, so you press it and your light on your trailer and truck gonna flash, say thank you. Same thing go for this, but this is for the headlights. You have a normal switch, guys, climate control for your AC and heat. You have outlet for your charger port. I know you guys already know your trailer brake, your tractor brake. This is the light for your sleeper bunk. This is the light just for I don't know, but this light is this is a test light. So when you're doing your pre-trip, guys, you press that like that, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna show your blinkers, you're gonna show your four-way flasher, your headlight, high beam, low beam, all that good stuff. Alright, your brake light and everything, make sure everything is working. This is the emergency flasher. This is your utility light. That's a light when you're picking up a trailer, so round by the back so you can see what's going on in the night. This is to override the engine. I never used this before. This is some traction stuff, and this is for these new trucks make a noise like when you're changing lanes. You hear beep, 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 if you're going too close to your line. So if you want to shut it off, you press that shit. That shit fucking annoying anyway. Alright, on this side you have this. Now this is an automatic brake lock. Like if you're going up a hill, you stop on a hill, you keep this on so you can the brake will automatic hold. This is your axle to lock your axles. Alright. This is for your kingpin to unlock, and so you don't need to get out your truck to lock your kingpin, and you can unlock it just in case, like in a rain, you can unhook from it without coming out the truck. Well, you have to come out to wind down your landing gear, but you don't have to worry about to pull that kingpin. This is up and down on the airbags. That's pretty much, guys. This is this clock is for here. So when you press your brake, see that? I have my foot on the brake. So the harder you press, you're gonna show the pressure. All right. So yeah, that's, you have a cup holder right here. You have 1, 2, and 3, and you have a little thing right here, a little storage right here. This is where they're maybe gonna put your ELD and stuff like this. But otherwise from that, guys, that's it. Spin this around. So yeah, guys, that's it pretty much. 2020, 2021 Freightliner, Cascadia Freightliner, and that's a tour of the truck. That's it pretty much. Ain't nothing different from my one. The only thing different on this truck so far with my truck than this, I see they have the automatic. You can unlock your hook, your fifth wheel right here, and they have a new heating system. I don't know how it works, but everything else is the same, guys. Everything else is the same. So if you have a 2020 Freightliner, you ain't missing shit. But guys, man, hope you like the video. Hope you like this tour. Share the video, subscribe, like it. Until the next, man, I'm going back to work to make that money. Hope you guys making money too. Until next time, I love you guys, man.